Cover me with your pistol.
Climb out the top.
Cover me with your pistol.
No, dude, I got it.
Roll the window down.
Hey.
He's making no attempt. Break that window out. Yeah, let me around. I'm gonna go make contact with the homeowner.
That's the car.
Vehicle is southbound 132. We've got a different plate on it now.
We got him pinned.
Show me your hands up! Show me your hands up now! Put your goddamn hands up! Put your hands up! Hands up! I'll f***ing shoot you! Put your goddamn hands up! Keep your hands up! Don't you goddamn move!
Yeah, I'm gonna go up top.
Do not fucking move.
Hey, can you break out some windows?
You do anything stupid, you're gonna f***ing die.
Hey,
do not do anything dumb.
Start breaking windows.
Hey, Jory.
Hold him down here, I'm gonna get my axe.
Get off your phone and
Hold cover here, I'm getting my
Hey, I'm
axe.
gonna hit pepper ball in.
Roll down your passenger side window.
Hold on,
I'm gonna hit pepper ball.
Roll your passenger side window down.
Will that break it?
No, but I have it open.
We are going to start sending pepper ball into your car.
Start coming out.
Cover me with your pistol.
Climb out the top.
Cover me with your pistol.
No, dude, I got it.
Roll the window down.
Hey.
He's making no attempt. Break that window out.
It's open.
Climb out the top now. Out of the sunroof. Keep your other hand up. Climb out of the sunroof. Quit hitting the gas pedal. Quit hitting the fucking gas pedal. Climb out of the sunroof now. You, in the yard. In the yard and keep fleeing that way.
We got 40.
Danny, reposition here. Reposition here so there's no crossfire here. Jory, all the way out through the sunroof. Try to take off. You will be tased, you will be pepperballed, and potentially shot if you do anything stupid. Keep
Get the
flying out of the car. And you're going to walk across my hood right there to my partner. Do you understand me? All the way up. And right now you are under arrest.
I got taser.
I'm going to come around to you with your hands. Have him go the other side. Okay. You want to just into the yard?
No, just have fucking roll onto your hood.
Yeah, that's what I said. Hey, crawl across the hood to my partner straight over there.
You can stand up right here.
Hey, don't move forward, Mark.
Nope, stand right here.
Slide your feet down. So I want you to slide your feet down and face the other direction.
Do not try to run.
Crawl backwards.
Crawl back.
Crawl. Hold on. Yeah, let me wrap. I'm gonna go make contact with the homeowner.
Yeah.
Not bad.
That side's bad.
Yeah, it's because I hate you. You're under arrest. He is Jory. He's in custody, and I'll call him in.
Good, I'm Officer Goodere with Kent Police. Just to let you know, we broke your fence a little bit. This guy ran over a Milton cop earlier today. He was ramming our cop car, so we pitted him. I want to give you information for the risk management person for the city, so he can coordinate to get your fence fixed.
Hit Dave's car. Damn it. You did? That's okay.
Are you injured? No.
Pepperball gives me the sneezes.
Oh, man.
Huh?
Dave, he's had that car forever.
You ready to stand up, Jory? Okay, ready?
Yep. I didn't even know you were behind me.
I pit him.
No, I know, but you were behind me when he was coming out.
Just go take a wide stance for me, please. Separate your feet.
I was jamming the gas, and it's a hybrid. It wouldn't go.
Hi, buddy.
Hey, it's really good to see you.
Thank you. Good to see you.
Hey, don't forget to vote in November, okay?
Do you have anything concealed on you? Well, and I was expecting you to go, so I hit the corner.
I was trying.
I drifted the entire thing, and then I drifted into Dave's car.
I did.
Hit it.
Hit over.
It's okay, I already saw it.
You start with 2 tows, 1 for the suspect vehicle and 1 for a PD vehicle. They might have to.
These are a smidge too tight. I'm going to loosen them.
Will anybody be able to get my property?
That car is probably going to get impounded on a warrant.
Yeah, understood. In the end, will anybody be able to retrieve my property?
Yes, once the warrant's completed.
I was like, bro, when you heard it and you're like, what's the description? I'm like, chubby or white dude. I hear, put your f***ing hands on the steering wheel. And I'm like, he's got him.
Oh, that'll buff right out.
Yeah, but I can't drive it.
It's a joke.
Just taking drives, anything like that? Do we have fire coming?
Well, he's involved in an accident.
Just hit your head, anything like that? No drugs?
Starting for collision.
I'm going to read your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent.
So far, Dave's car inoperable. Danny's car is the same thing.
Do you understand all the rights I've read to you, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. How much rights in mind? Do you want to talk to me?
No.
Knock if you need some, right?
You can open it.
Cool. I'm going to blast the AC too. I know it doesn't really work too much back there, but I'll blast it anyways. He finds the car. We're on the phone. He goes, hey, what's the last 4 of ours? So I tell him. He's got the VINs covered. What's the description of the suspect? I'm like, heavier set white dude.
Was he just sitting right there?
He was sitting in the car.
Was he awake or?
Yeah, he was awake. He goes, put your hands on the wheel. Dude takes off. So I hear this on the phone.
Yeah.
I'm with Dave. We're next to each other. Dude takes off, comes by us. I may or may not have hit Dave. I'm not going to talk about that. So the dude comes northbound or southbound here. First pit's up there. He then takes off, tries to come back this way. That's when, I don't know who the other 2 cars were. They both hit him sideways. He readjusts to come this way, and I pushed him into the ditch.
Okay.
I thought we were going to hit the fire hydrant. I was trying to do it before the fire hydrant.
Nice pit, by the way.
Dude, that window was not breaking.
Is everyone okay? Officers? Nobody hurt?
No, no one's hurt.
Okay.
No, nothing. That window is strong.
Nothing. A couple. Yeah, let's get away from that.
Dory, look at me. Look at me. I gotta get your face. Show that you're not hurt.
I asked him, he said no drugs on board, nothing like that. Said he didn't hit his head or anything, so.
Keanu comes in, hits my car. That's what he said. Not too bad. Okay. So mostly here, a little bit here. Okay. So not bad. And then the rest of the stuff was when I was trying to pin. Were you the first one to try to pin, or who tried to? No, I was like third.
Is that his car making that noise?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're not going to touch anything in there.
I just want to turn it off.
But they're going to show up here. This is going to be their problem now.
I was trying to pin as he was moving. I was trying to pin the front end, but he pulled in front. Okay. And we were pretty much at a standstill, like speeds maybe 10.
Okay. What are you doing?
Trying to wipe my mouth.
Okay.
Get a party rental while you're here too.
Oh, good. Yeah, we get that going too. Maybe for tomorrow or something.
Do we got loaners? 2-man.
I don't know. We'll have to check with Schombacher's.
Just so you know, when I got out of my car, my body camera fell off. It was in my front seat the whole time.
Got it.
Just so you know.
No worries.
Great.
Don't really care, but just letting you know. I had to play Powerball into the car
Oh, nice. Right.
from the top.
It was super cool looking.
Oh, that's cool.
The only people it affected was
Everyone else.
all of our dudes.
Just for fun.
8508.
Want some water or something, man?
Yeah.
Anybody got a bottle of water?
Yeah.
What is that underneath me? Is that my car or his car? Pull that out. Oh, that's like the wheel well. Yeah, you blew the wall right out of there.
Yeah, it's in drive. Sorry, Dave. I feel bad.
Oh, dude, no, like that did virtually nothing to my car.
If you look at my right side, I hit the emergency curve as I tried to turn, and it went boom and pushed me. Both of my tires are completely red now.
This got pushed into my tire. So if I can get this pit bar off, I'll be fine.
I got a crowbar.
Yeah, work it out.
The detective did want to know if we had any additional charges for him.
We'll be eluding for our side, but
Yeah.
we'll probably just be
That's what I said. He goes, do you guys want to book on yours or ours? I said, we'll book on yours and then
Yeah.
we can refer ours.
Why would we book on eluding? You have assault 1.
I know, exactly.
It's a description.
I don't think any officers are hurt.
I asked.
Keanu, you hurt?
No, my feelings.
Yeah, that's usual.
Okay, but that's normal.
But he's not hurt and doesn't want to get checked out.
Sorry about your yard, bud.
I heard you say it.
Bruh.
I don't think it's going to go, boys.
No, I don't think so.
you'd be pivoting off of this plastic part of the car.
No, I like this plan though.
You're going to have to get... You're going to get creative with this one. That guy looks like Jason Momoa. Did you see that guy? Just like Jason Momoa. Maybe I got him on camera. Don't tell my wife that there's a guy in camp that looks like Jason Momoa. She'll drive over here real fast.
We're arranging with Milton to figure out how and where they want to take custody, but yeah.
It's my father-in-law? For sure.
Is it?
Yeah. Get that thing out of the road. No, stop. Stop it. Don't. What are you not stopping for? Stop. Now go.
Jory, you have the right to remain silent. Anything on you that's going to stick me, poke me, or cut me? Any drugs?
No, sir.
Okay. Use any drugs? Jory? You use any drugs? Okay. I'm just trying to ask just so I know that if there's any drugs on you, I know what I may come in contact with. I'm not asking it because I'm trying to find a awesome. Okay. Pull down the window for you. I know it's getting warm out. It's a beautiful day. I'm going to adjust for this customer. Hop on out real quick.
I gained a lot of weight, and my arms are stretched.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you a better pair of cuffs to put on anyways, and I'm gonna get those back to the officer that to put them on you, okay?
It's just my left arm starting to go
Spread your
down.
feet apart.
I'm gonna get these ones off of you, boss. The other ones are a little lighter. They might actually have just a little bit more space on them. How's that? That better?
No, but it doesn't matter.
Okay. That pepper ball just... Yeah. It just gets in your freaking back of your throat.
Yep.
Milton police impounded the vehicle and with a search warrant found over 26 grams of fentanyl, 7 baggies of magic mushrooms, 3 of marijuana, 1 of methamphetamine, and 1 of an unknown fluorescent green substance. The amount of fentanyl is staggering, as lethal doses can be as small as 3 grains of sand. If diluted to 10 a common street purity, 6G could kill 300 people. If pure, it could kill 13,000. Jory seems to be aware of this as officers also found naloxone or Narcan and syringes stored versus opioid overdoses, as well as 2 CPR mouth-to-mouth kits. They also found plenty of evidences suggesting head distributes, including nearly 20 cell phone and communication devices, measuring scales, and a pack of 500 small baggies. Additionally, it appears she possessed stolen IDs and bank cards and a B-gun. The license plate he stole was returned to the owner. Why? Epet. Have a good day. Okay. Jory was charged with 1 count of vehicular assault, 1 count of second-degree assault, 1 count of unlawful possession of a controlled substance with intent to deliver, 1 count of failure to remain at an injury accident, and 1 count of attempting to elude a pursuing police vehicle. Jory initially pleaded not guilty, and $200,000 bond was set. This is not his first entanglement with the law. News articles share that Jory has several prior misdemeanor convictions, most notably fourth-degree assault, carry-in, gay-concealed pistol without a permit, and third-degree theft. Officer Haney, who was run over by Jory, spoke to media about the situation. He chose to physically resist 2 police officers. He chose to put the vehicle in drive and use thousands of pounds of solid metal to break my bones, tear my ligaments, damage my flesh, and kill my nerves. We've placed a donation link below this video for those wishing to support Officer Haney and his family. News articles indicate in March of 2025, Jory pleaded guilty to 4 of his 5 charges in a plea deal. His vehicular assault charge was dropped. Jory was sentenced to 100 months or 8 years and 4 months in prison. In Washington, offenders can earn up to a third off their sentence for good behavior. With jail credit and good time, Jory could be released by January 2030. Without these benefits, his full sentence ends in July 2033.